All right, so today we're going to take a look at the tool bag that I use when I go outside of the workshop. So whether this is to go inside the house or if I'm out and about helping a friend, I have all the tools I need in here. So let's take a quick look. We'll start on the outside. Got a good old tape measure in metric and imperial. Zip ties. Man, these come in handy when your bumper falls off. All right, various pens and pencils. Oh, and the ever-present Sharpie. Yeah. Goes off the side there. And the last pocket, I've got just a square here, speed square. I think that's it. Oh, got some rubber gloves. Yeah. All right, let's open her up. So inside, I've got this sort of separated out into a couple different zones. So I'm repurposing an old bag that I used for a router essentially. So it kind of has some segments already broken out. So I thought that was pretty convenient. So inside I've got a couple kits here. I've got a Craig jig, you know, just for pocket holes. Don't use this a lot, but every once in a while it comes in handy. I've got a Milwaukee multi-bit set here with some additional little jobbies, center finding drill bit, and a nice little step drill. There we go, get the face out of there. But yeah, that's pretty much it right there. And a regular set of drill bits with some countersinks. Comme ça. All right, and then I've got a couple of additional bags here that are just made for organizing a few other things. So I'll just push that off the side here. We'll get these in one at a time. So in this guy, I've got just a few random bits and pieces. So I've got some some shims. Those come in handy, I tell you that. A 4-in-1 file, trim removal tool, and some adjustable pliers, the shitty non-channel lock version. So let's get those off to the side. And here I got some safety bits, mask, dust mask, some gloves, some say what nows. These are handy. Take them on and off, leave them around the neck. I like these a lot. Some safety glasses. They don't stay up here. You know, you wear them down here. And stud finder. You know. Little spirit level. Small tiny pull saw here. It's quite fine tooth. Don't use this a ton, but again, it comes in handy every once in a while. So I've got a larger one that I keep here. And then I don't know, what do you want to call this? A circuit finder. Yeah, to see if those power lines are live. All right, shoot that off the side here. Okay, so what else we got? In the side here, I've got a little charger, inflatable windbag wedge, comes in handy. All right, so that pretty much takes us through everything except for the additional little tool bag. So I've got this guy set up in an interesting way here. So I've got all my hand tools all kind of living in this small sort of technician's pouch with an additional small driver pouch on the side here. So let's just pop this off. Now, got this little driver. This guy is seriously underpowered, so if there's any suggestions of a better small form factor driver that I could use in here, please let me know, because this thing's kind of it's shrimpy. Yeah, so anyways, this guy right here, I wanted to get back to this. The way I've got this set up is with a sling around the outside so that you can basically throw this over your shoulder and have it as if it's a tool belt without having to have a tool belt. And I've also got this additional little feature here where you mount this to your belt and a drill would hang from this. I've mounted it upside down into the kit. So I'm basically able to hang this little toolkit anywhere I need it and, you know, have the access to this little smaller removable kit. So in here I've got another little spirit level. I don't think I actually need this, but put that off to the side. And then, yeah, I mean, you know, let's just go through these one by one. A couple screwdrivers. I've got a little punch, little awl, various pliers, some side cutters, some smaller linesman's pliers, some needle nose, and some scissors on the outside. All right, let's get that off to the side here. On the inside, I've got a small little pry bar, paintbrush, X-Acto knife, some wire strippers, little putty knife, a throwaway chisel, not a throwaway chisel, but definitely not a high-end woodworking chisel by any means. And I've got a small set of 1/4 inch drive sort of multi-purpose bits. So these can do imperial and metric with a small extension and this sort of multi-purpose ratchet guy right here, and a adjustable wrench. Oh, what else we got? Oh, yeah. Oh, man, look at that. I got a small knife in there too. Look at that. Cool. Didn't even know I had that. Actually, I could have used that the other day. Anyway, there you go. And I got a small benzomatic butane torch. Oh, more zip ties. Oh, and another Sharpie. All right, let's get that out of the way here. In the secondary pouch, right here, I've got, oh, there we go. A few other things here. Let's just pop these all out and talk about them. And some electrical tape. Got some additional, just some additional bits, you know, whatever, the extra from the other ones. A tiny little oiler pen here. An additional bit, the Robertson end on this side. Ah, this right here. This guy right here is basically it can screw on to the end of the torch here, and it's essentially we got a small soldering iron. So this is also come in handy. Put that off the side here. And finally, a little tiny pick set, basically. Small little pick set where you can screw them into the handle here. And that's it. That's everything. That's everything I got in here. And yeah, this has served me quite well. I've been able to do quite a bit of work with this. If I do need other tools, I have another tool bin that I bring with me, and I'll put kind of more specialty stuff in there if I'm doing more specific painting, drill, driver, things like that. Additional batteries, if I'm going larger cordless tools, put them in there. So yeah, that's about it. Any suggestions, things you think I'm missing? Yeah, I'd like to hear about it. And then also, man, tell you, a good recommendation for a better small form factor drill. So if anyone has anything out there, yeah, let me know. And that's it. That's all I got on my toolkit. So yeah, catch you in the next one. Thanks for hanging out.